Welcome to the Everest Base Camp Trek, an iconic journey into the heart of the Himalayas. This trek offers breathtaking landscapes, cultural immersion, and a personal challenge that rewards you with unforgettable memories. Whether you're a first-time trekker or a seasoned hiker, this guide will help you prepare for your adventure. 1. Why choose Everest Base Camp Trek? White heavy checkmark: unmatched scenery, walk through lush forests, high-altitude deserts and glacier with stunning views of Everest, Lhotse and Ama Dablam. White heavy checkmark: cultural immersion, experience the Sherpa lifestyle. Visit Tengboche Monastery and trek through historic villages. White heavy checkmark: a lifetime achievement, reaching 364 m, 17,598 feet. At Everest Base Camp is a bucket list adventure. 2. Best time to visit. Cherry blossom spring, May clear skies, warm weather, and blooming rhododendrons. Fallen leaf autumn, Sept-November best visibility, mild temperatures, and stable conditions. Crossmark: avoid monsoon, June-August, and winter, December-February, due to harsh weather. 3. Standard itinerary, 12 to 14 days. Aeroplane departure: Day 1, flight Kathmandu Lhotse, 2, 860 m. Trek to Phakting, 2, 610 m. Pedestrian: Day 2, trek to Namche Bazaar, 3, 440 m. Snow-capped mountain Day 3, acclimatization, Everest View Hotel hike. Synagogue: Day 4, trek to Tengboche, 3, 867 m. Snowflake Day 5, trek to Tengboche, 4, 410 m. Round Pushpin: Day 6, acclimatization. Nagarjun Hill, 5, 100 m hike. Camping Day 7, trek to Lhotse, 4, 940 m. Snow-capped mountain Day 8, trek to Gorakshep, 5, 164 m, and Everest Base Camp, 5, 364 m. Sunrise over mountains: Day 9, sunrise hike to Kala Patha, 5, 545 m. Trek down. Aeroplane arriving Day 10 to 12, return to Lhotse Kathmandu. 4. Trekking costs and permits. Scroll permits. Sagarmatha National Park permit, $30. Khumbu Pine Lamu permit, $20. Moneybag budget estimates. Solo trekking, $800 to $1,200. Guided trek, $1,200 to $3,000. Luxury trek, $4,000 plus. 5. Accommodation and food. House with flower tea houses, basic lodges with twin sharing rooms. Curry and rice meals, dal bat, noodles, Sherpa stew, and momos. Shower extras, hot showers, Wi-Fi, and charging points at additional costs. 6. Altitude sickness and safety tips. Warning sign: altitude sickness risks, higher elevation equals lower oxygen. White heavy checkmark: acclimatize at Namche and Tengboche. White heavy checkmark: stay hydrated, 3-4 L daily. White heavy checkmark: ascend slowly and listen to your body. White heavy checkmark: carry medication, diamarks recommended. 7. Packing essentials. School satchel gear, trekking boots, warm layers, waterproof jacket, gloves. First aid, diamarks, ibuprofen, blister plasters. Sunglasses / accessories, sunglasses, sunscreen, trekking poles, power bank. 8. Trekking solo versus hiring a guide. Briefcase guide, $25 to $30 per day. Safety, navigation, and cultural insights. School satchel porter, $15 to $20 per day, helps carry gear. Recommended for beginners. 9. Getting there. Airplane / flight, Kathmandu Lhotse, 35 minutes. Pedestrian alternative, Jiri to Everest trek, adds 5 to 7 days. 10. Trekking highlights. Aeroplane arriving Lhotse Airport, the world's most thrilling runway. Houses / Namche Bazaar, Sherpa town with bakeries, shops, and markets. Mosque Tengboche Monastery, sacred Buddhist site with Everest views. Mountain / Kala Patha, best panoramic view.